a video on a gift that I've been given. So I was given this by my cheesemonger friend. It's not mozzarella, but it is what mozzarella is made out of. So I'm presuming some kind of like curds before it's turned into balls. So I'm curious, just going to see. Ooh, look at that. This looks interesting, doesn't it? So it looks like a soft kind of creamy cheese, and I was thinking, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It needs eating. So well, that's delicious. What are we going to do with that? It tastes a bit like cream cheese. It tastes a bit like cream cheese. I can't pronounce it. But it's like a really rich or Scottish cheese. What am I going to do with that? Apart from just eat it out of the tub like a yogurt. I think we're going to... I've made some bread today, so we will make some bread croutons, and then I think we'll smear that on top of the bread crouton, and then we'll try it as is, and then we might just put one underneath the grill as well and kind of see what happens with that. But I think that's going to be delicious. So yeah, that's what we'll do. So I'll make a bread crouton, and then we'll see what it's like on some bread. Actually, no, because I want it. Let's see. Thinking we just slice some bread, but no, we won't do that. What we'll do is we'll crisp it up and then it's crunchy, and I think that'll be extra nice. I have a crouton. I've just fried it in some lard. Should have been olive oil, really, shouldn't it? But I find olive oil a bit overpowering, if I'm honest. Especially if you make things like bruschetta. I always find it a little bit overpowering. Especially the really good stuff. I find it bitter and overly peppery. But anyway, so I like lard and chicken fat. Those are my two favourites. That's lovely. That's lovely, that. So I've got two more. Let's do the same, but stick it under the grill and see what happens. Let's have a look at this. Ooh, that's all right. That's all right. Let me turn the oven off. So I always find that mozzarella kind of like all the liquid wants to come out of it when you cook it, but that doesn't happen there, does it? They look good. Let's cut into one. Obviously, I've just put, or is the bread soaked up the liquid? Obviously, you can make mini pizzas out of them. I'll put it on a pizza. That'd be nice. It'd be a bit like, what's that French dish where it's pastry instead of dough, and they put on like cheese and potatoes and things. It'd be a little bit like that. So it'd be like a white sauce on pizza. That's delicious. Right. So, what would I do with that? I'd make French bread pizzas. That's what I'd make. That's delicious. I don't know if it's a success. It's mostly just me just faffing around with something that was given for free. That's lovely. Can't pronounce it. Can we focus on it? Nope. Nope. But I'll put it in the description what it is. But it's lovely.